Hey guys, it's us here again, and I am so sorry about we haven't uploaded
video
since 6 months ago.
Yeah.
And we forgot we had a channel. Pretty much. That's
since we're so bad at vlogging. I mean, there's Bob. He's about at least 15 pounds. We got Jersey Giants for all you guys. Tell them that hen's name.
what?
The hen's right there. Right there, the hen.
That's Cindy. She's very nosy. And we are going to go up here.
So guys, we're gonna show you our brooder. And we have a broody hen in here. She's at least sitting on 15 eggs. We just candled them, and each of them, all 15 have growth. So that's a good sign.
Yes.
There she is. So guys, for you, if you guys are new or anything, broody means when they're sitting on eggs. And when they puff up all their feathers, well then that means they're broody.
See, they got all... I just don't want to disturb her.
Yeah. She got food and water there. She good. She's staying on them.
Yep.
Close the door.
If you guys can see, there's a foam airplane right over there. And that is stuck in a tree. It's about 25 feet in a tree, actually.
Yeah.
And we cannot get it down. If you have any solutions, please comment below.
Guys, don't say a ladder because that ladder, it's super dangerous if you even try it. Oh, show more pictures.
I'll show your face. So this guy here, and
tell me who it is.
This guy here.
Tell me who it is.
That's the Ice King. If you guys are Fortniters, and I'm not. My friend drew that. Shout out to Kenton Caldwell. He's a kid in my class. He made that for me. And this is just what we did. Stop. No.
So yeah, they go in their coops every night. We lock them up and everything. It's pretty good.
This is their water, and this is another water, but this is almost empty.
Yeah, this thing's
this
full,
one's
but
completely
it's empty
full.
with there. So, tell them how this process works.
So you have to drill a hole, a 3/8 inch hole in there, and then you can screw these in, and then fill the thing up with water. You got yourself a nice little homemade chicken water.
Home Depot. So,
and we had this one filled up with water, but a baby chicken drowned in it last year, and
hold on, we gotta show them how this process works.
Shut up. And so we are doing no more baby chicken.
Come on, show them the process of this. They probably might not know. So if a chicken comes up and it tries to get water out of it, this thing will pull and fill the water up.
Like that.
Like that. Pretty dirty.
Okay. And last but not least, what I want to show you guys is this new addition that we have down here in the woods. And it is a homemade perch that I made out of, I hammered screws. And hey, Cindy, how you doing? How you doing? Will you say hi to the subscribers? Say hi. And so this is our perch down here in the woods. You can see the poop on there where some of them have been on here. Everything, and we got some chickens over in there. And then down here, there are just pure woods. You guys can see that airplane stuck in the tree better from this view. And that's about it, guys. So have a nice day. We only have 10.
You gotta tell them we got some in the incubator.
Wait. So we have 10 chickens right now. 8 hens, 2 roosters. And we
You guys see a lot
have
of noise.
15. We have 15 chickens hatching under the broody hen. 24 hatching in the incubator. So we'll have a good amount of chickens.
if they all have.
Yeah. And if they don't, that's okay. And this is just the whole big thing here. And, well, we will see you guys next time. Subscribe, like, and comment. Comment what we should name any of the chickens.
And comment how to get that
Airplane. out of the tree.
airplane right there. See that airplane?
Yeah, comment how to get that down too. And guys, please subscribe. We don't have many subscribers at all. We're bad. Just here's an ant crawling.
Die.
I killed him. And this is the coop. And guys, have a nice day. I hope you like it. Bye.